So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Trust Wallet to bank account. So to do this, all you have to do is go to your Trust Wallet. So for example, once you logged into your Trust Wallet, all you have to do is send the cryptocurrency that you want to Binance. So basically all you have to do is pretend that, let's say you have some Bitcoin right here. So we have Bitcoin, and then all you have to do is send it to to Binance, where you have to log in and then receive it in your wallet. So all you have to do is receive it from your spot and funding. So just paste it right there, and then from here in Binance, connect your bank account, and there you go. So Binance is currently down, so let's see right here. So right here, all you have to do is deposit. So let's just say you have sats right here, and then choose your network and then deposit it right here. So there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.